In this quick guide, I'll show you how to hide content in Confluence using the expand macro, a simple feature that keeps your pages clean, organized, and easier for readers to navigate. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Confluence through your search engine or by using your saved link. Once you're on the site, log into your account. If you're new to Confluence, you can create an account in just a few steps and access your dashboard right away. After you're logged in, go to the page where you want to hide content. This is usually a page that contains long sections or detailed information you want to keep tidy. Enter edit mode, and once the editor opens, type a /. This brings up a menu where you can search for the expand option. Select the expand macro to insert it into your page. When it appears, give it a clear title such as click to view, so readers know they can expand it for more details. Inside the expandable section, add the content you want to hide. You can paste text, add images, or include any information you don't want displayed up front. Format it exactly the way you want, just like any other part of your Confluence page. Once everything looks good, publish your page. The content you placed inside the expand macro will be hidden by default, leaving your page neat and easy to read. Viewers can simply click the title to reveal the hidden section whenever they need it. And that's all it takes. You've successfully learned how to hide content in Confluence using the expand macro, a great way to keep your workspace clean and focused.